Ryan from Mourne here. We're actually down in that harbour today, showing you a job that we've done for a new development, Waterwheel Wharf. I would like to show you the balconies that we've done. This particular job, the customer came to us. The customer's actually a client of ours. We do a lot of work for him. David McKee is a local building contractor. David came to us proposing a balcony that didn't obstruct a view of the harbour that's right at your back door. So we came up with a design, sent it through to David, and he was happy with it. We manufactured the bulk section frame in our workshop in Kilkeel. We then got it galvanized and powder coated. We then fitted the frame, and after the frame was fitted, that's when we actually measured for the glass just to get it exactly right. And that is the end product that you see. So if you have a new build home and you're struggling to think of an idea what you could do with your balcony, contact us at info@morecraft.com.